If you want ChatGPT to become your personal social media manager, the key is to stop treating it like a one-time prompt tool and start using it like a long-term brand assistant. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up so it understands your voice, your audience, and your content goals, and then helps you plan posts faster every single day. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials that save you time and make content creation easier. All right, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT and start a brand new chat. I recommend naming the chat something simple and clear, like Social Media Manager, so you can easily come back to it whenever you need content ideas, captions, or strategy help. The goal here is to give ChatGPT a role, not just a task. When you do that, it starts responding more like a real assistant that understands your business. Now, before you ask it to write any posts, you need to build what I like to call your brand brain. This is where you teach ChatGPT who you are, what you do, and how your content should sound. The more specific you are here, the better every future response will be. Paste in an identity prompt that includes your niche, your target audience, your tone, your core values, and a few examples of your best performing posts. For example, you can tell your niche is sustainable tech, your audience is Gen Z early adopters, your tone is witty and expert with a slightly rebellious edge, and your core values are transparency and innovation. This step is incredibly important because it helps ChatGPT avoid sounding generic. If you skip this part, you'll probably get captions that feel bland, robotic, or too broad. But if you give it real context, it can start matching your actual brand voice much more closely. I also recommend pasting 2 or 3 real examples of posts that performed well for you. That gives ChatGPT something concrete to study so it can mirror your style instead of guessing. After you send that prompt, ask ChatGPT to summarize your brand voice back to you. This is a great check to make sure it understood everything correctly. If the summary sounds off, just refine your prompt until it gets closer to how you actually want to sound. Once you are happy with the brand brain, you've already done the hardest part. Next, use ChatGPT to create a 30-day content calendar. Instead of scrambling every morning to think of something to post, you can have your entire month planned out in advance. In the same chat, ask it to build a 30-day calendar for your platform of choice, whether that's Instagram, LinkedIn, or another social channel. Give it content pillars so it knows how to structure the month. A strong mix might include educational posts, behind-the-scenes content, personal stories, and promotional posts. This is where ChatGPT really starts acting like a social media manager. It can help you balance value and promotion so your content doesn't feel repetitive. It can also give you variety in formats, like reels, carousels, text posts, or short-form hooks. If you want, you can even ask it to assign a theme to each day so your content stays organized and consistent. Now let's make this even better with a custom instruction. If your version of ChatGPT supports personalization settings, go into Settings, then Personalization, then Custom Instructions. There, tell ChatGPT something like, "I'm a social media manager for this niche. Always include a hook and a call to action in every post you write for me." This is a huge productivity boost because it creates consistency across everything the tool generates. Another powerful tip is to give ChatGPT a style correction rule. If it starts sounding too corporate, too polished, or full of buzzwords, don't be afraid to stop it and tell it exactly what to fix. You can say something like, "Rewrite that, but remove all buzzwords like synergy, delve, and unlock." Make it sound like a text message to a friend. This is one of the fastest ways to get more natural, human-sounding content. You can also use ChatGPT for more than just captions. Ask it for post ideas, hashtag variations, engagement questions, content repurposing ideas, hook formulas, and even comment replies. In other words, once it understands your brand, it can support your entire social media workflow, not just one piece of it. That is what makes it feel like a real personal manager instead of just a writing tool. So the full process is simple. First, create a dedicated chat. Second, teach it your brand identity. Third, ask it to summarize your voice. Fourth, generate a 30-day content calendar. And fifth, refine the output with custom instructions and style corrections so it keeps sounding like you. Once you set this up properly, you can save hours every week and keep your content much more consistent. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe because I post more tutorials like this to help you use AI tools smarter and faster. And if you want, you can keep building on this setup by asking ChatGPT to write your captions, plan your content pillars, or brainstorm new ideas anytime you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.